Look at that, we've got the tunnel and the canal. Just before tunnel. Look, totally empty. Never been through this tunnel like it's been empty before. So let's have a look. See if I can spot anything. Got my torch on so I can see where I'm going. But there's where it all comes out a bit. Oh, there's a wall. I said I'm fully in the tunnel here. You can't see no, wow, you can't see the littlest bit of water going through. Let's keep going. Oh, there's where wall comes out. Oh. Look at trees in the tunnel. On the other side. There's nothing in this one either. There's a chair over there. Got a fly in my mouth. But fully emptied it. I think I've ever seen this part of the canal empty before. It says pedestrians up that way. It's been empty for a while. Wonder if they empty the next bit. Oh, anybody lost a Reebok bike? Looks like they pulled that out of the canal. Yeah, I'm gonna get my bike down, carry it onto the other side and carry on. Fence ain't gonna stop me.